Hi everyone. Today's question is, from the top of a hill, the angles of depression of two consecutive kilometer stones due east are found to be 30° and 45° respectively. Find the distances of the two stones from the foot of the hills. Let me draw the hill first and marking it as A and B. Then, from the top of the hill, the angle of depressions of two consecutive stones are given. So, we will mark the stones as C and D. Connect the stones with the top of the hill because the angle of depression from the top is given. As I told you already, and the angle of depression will be always outside the triangle. Now mark the angles. The angles what we have is 30°. So first angle is 30°, whereas the second angle, this full angle will be 45°. Since it is outside the triangle, we cannot go for any trigonometric ratios because here we will not have the opposite side as well as adjacent or else the hypotenuse side. So we are going to use the concept of parallel lines. To the base, the side will be parallel, and the angle what we have here at A, that will be equal to the angle D here, which is alternate angle. So this will be 30°. At the same time, the angle 45 will be equal to the angle C. Here it is 45°. So first step, you have to mark the angles like this. Then they told us to find the distance between the stones, that is from B to C as well as from B to D we have to calculate. Before that, the stones are consecutive stones in the question. So the distance between C and D will be 1 kilometer. Now let me take the distance from B to C as x, and the height of the hill I am taking it as h. Now this is your diagram. Once if the diagram is done, half the question is over. Now moving to the concept. So in triangle ABC, I am going to take the angle 45°. For 45°, your opposite is h and adjacent is x. So moving for tan theta. So tan theta, we know it is opposite by adjacent side. We have the angle 45°. So tan 45 will be equal to opposite to 45, the side is h and adjacent side is x. And the tan 45 value we all know, which is 1. So 1 will be equal to h by x. So when we cross multiply, we will get h will be equal to x. This will be the first solution. Mark this as equation 1. Now moving to the next angle. Next we have 30°. So next I am going for tan 30. For 30°, your opposite side is h, which is equal to h divided by adjacent side will be the full length, that is BD. So together I am going to take it as x plus 1 from B to C, then C to D. So which is BD, that can be written as h divided by x plus 1. And we know the value for tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. After this, on cross multiplying, we will get this as x plus 1, which is equal to h root 3. Now substitute this value here. We need the distance from the hill to the stone, right? We need the value of x. So instead of h, we can substitute x. So that's what I'm going to do. X plus 1 will be equal to x root 3. After this, taking the like terms to one side, we will get 1 is equal to x root 3 minus x. Take the common term out. So you will get x into root 3 minus 1. From this, we need to calculate your x value. Directly we can write this as 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, which is equal to x. If we simplify as it is, you will get the decimal value in the denominator. So instead of going for that, we can do rationalizing, that is using the conjugate method. 1 by root 3 minus 1, multiply and divide by the conjugate. So which is root 3 plus 1 will be equal to x. So when we do this one, in numerator it will be root 3 plus 1 divided by, in denominator we will get this a minus b and a plus b form, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. We know the formula, the algebraic identity what we people learnt in the lower classes. So directly I am applying the formula root 3 square minus 1 squared, which is equal to x. After this, when we further simplify, so root 3 plus 1 divided by denominator, you will get 3 minus 1, which is equal to your x. So root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 equal to x. Now substitute root 3 value here. We all know which is 1.732 plus 1 by 2 will be your x value. When we add it, after simplifying, we will get x is equal to 1.366 kilometer. X is nothing but the distance from the hill to the point C. The question, they asked us to find the distances of the two stones. Therefore, distances of two stones is equal to, first one BC, which will be equal to x, which is 1.366 kilometer. The distance from the hill to the second stone, which is BD, this is nothing but x plus 1. If you add 1 with the x value, so you will get it as 2.366 kilometer. So these two are the distances from the hill to the stones. Hope you all understood, children.